The most powerful ute on the planet comes to Australia. Hyundai's pricey battery recall.
You're watching Cartell TV and I'm Simone. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do that right now. And here's this week's news. Let's start with some big breakfast eating news.
Of course, I'm talking about the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX. Officially, the most powerful full-sized ute on the planet is coming to Australia and you can place a deposit now.
How much does it cost? No idea. But apparently people love these so much they're willing to actually pay a deposit without knowing the price.
We expect them in Australian showrooms by the end of this year. Some predictions say that the prices may actually be noticeably higher than in the US, with the cost of shipping and conversion to factory standards that includes around 600 new parts, optional extras, etc. So this could bring the price close to $200,000.
So what makes the Ram 1500 TRX the most powerful wheelbarrow of its size?
A 6.2 litre Hemi V8 with a massive supercharger for forced induction. This is the engine familiar to the car world from the beastly Challenger Hellcat and Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. The power rating of this engine is around 520 kilowatts and 880 newton meters. So despite the huge body, the Ram 1500 TRX should reach 100 in well under 5 seconds.
How popular do you think this will be in Australia? Let us know in the comments. And in other news, a few days ago, Hyundai announced one of the priciest recalls in the history of the car world. But could it actually be a good thing for the brand? Well, I'm sure they're not too happy about it, but I don't know that it's all bad. Let me tell you why.
First, the bad side. 15 electric cars with LG batteries caught fire. Due to this issue, Hyundai is recalling 82,000 electric cars to replace the batteries. The total cost is estimated to reach $900 million. Oh, and that's American dollars.
While it's not the biggest recall in recent history, I mean, who could forget the whole Takata airbag mess, the cost is truly massive.
The reason for this, despite the relatively small number of cars included, is the fact that Hyundai will replace the batteries in the said vehicles completely.
This amounts to about 11,000 American dollars per car, which is surely a financial hit for the company. So how could this be good? Well, looking at the silver lining here, we have to point out that the number of cars with the issues is actually rather small, and literally nobody was injured in any of the incidents. But Hyundai has taken a huge proactive step in making sure people feel safe in their EVs.
GM also has a similar problem in their Bolt, albeit with a different battery, and their recall fix does not include replacing the batteries.
Meanwhile, Hyundai's actions sure do a lot for credibility, and that is always a good thing, despite the financial implications.
I should note that it's still not sure who will take the blame and the financial hit, LG or Hyundai, but the car manufacturer already announced that the batteries will be replaced.
This event also sets the bar pretty high when it comes to all future recalls from other EV manufacturers. There isn't much wriggle room now that the Korean company has taken this step.
What this also means is that we get another confirmation of just how costly batteries are for electric vehicles.
You may not have realised, but the price tags we often see are highly influenced by the batteries.
This can only mean that with the development of more affordable batteries or high production numbers, EVs should become more affordable and soon. Yay!
So far we have zero reports of this recall affecting vehicles sold in Australia, but we'll keep an eye out for you. Thanks for checking out the news. Now you've probably noticed we've been putting up plenty of fresh videos these days, and so now more than ever it's important to subscribe, hit that notification button, and that way you keep up to date with all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and you'll see us in our next review.